Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to Crypto Jet. Today we're going to be talking about HOLO or Holochain. You may have heard of it, you may have not heard of it, but we're going to cover the technical aspect in severe detail so everything is crystal clear to you. Now first of all, let's just get right onto the coin market cap page. We can see a price of 1 cent at the moment with a market cap of almost $2 billion. Now this is not that high of a market cap, putting it at the 69th coin. Being ranked right there, but I do believe that this coin deserves a spot at least in the top 50 in the nearer future, right? So you can buy it on Binance for now, and just to take a look at the total crypto market cap, it's at $2.1 trillion at this moment. Now, moving on to this chart, and before we get further into the analysis, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I believe that if I keep putting out content, even though I repeat the same concepts, you guys will actually be able to learn a bit better, and I'll be able to share my knowledge with you, which is my goal, because it's been a huge learning curve for me, and I want to kind of simplify it for you. So let's get right into it. We have two very important zones at this point. So we have this main one down here, acted as a price floor, created sort of a triple top down below, and we have the interim or a little bit higher zone, which is almost at the 1 cent mark where the price is right now. So it's probably psychologically significant. We're going to mark it with an orange line just so we can mark its significance. Now, something interesting that did pop up when I was reviewing this coin a few months back on the logarithmic chart is the following. So you can see a very, very nice, almost perfect downtrend line, right? So you have one touch up here, one touch up here, and basically at the break of this downtrend line, so these few bullish candles right here, would have been a great position to enter a buy position in and anticipate a further upward movement of Holochain and of the whole market itself. So it was quite easy speaking in hindsight, but obviously we're not trying to trade in the hindsight right here. So we're going to remove this and see where the coin is right now. Right now we're sitting at the 1 cent mark. Yesterday, day before yesterday, there was a big sort of actually it was a few days back, but the market did sort of a flash crash, as I like to call it, but it's nothing to worry about because for all coins basically on the market, all of these support zones held the coins up, and new interest and new buyers wanted to enter the market at this point. So right now what I'm seeing is strong rejection from the bottom, which means we are about to move bullish again. Something that's interesting though is before this huge spike down happened, which was probably due to the El Salvador news and some basically uncertainty in the whole market, we had a beautiful bull flag forming on top of this zone of support. So the break of this bull flag would have also signified a very, very nice place to enter a trade for the short or for the long term. But obviously this happened, but on the right hand side, we can just count this as a continued flag, even though we had this uncertainty in the price. So I do expect the price to continue going bullish from this point. Also, we can see that the 50-period moving average acted as a support right here. So in the past, acted as a resistance right here and is currently acting as a level of support. So what happens when it's support? The price is moving up. What happens when it's resistance? The price is moving down. And when it's support again, we expect the price to move back up again. Thank you all for joining in for another Jet video, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.